What it do, what it do, what it do, 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 do. We are live, live. Whee! All right. We got I don't know, it's kind of a weird day, right? Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, you got Black Friday. Is Black Friday a holiday? Do we say we got Black Friday? It's the day after Thanksgiving. What do you call Friday? What is the official term for Friday? I'm always wondering, what do we call it? Black Friday? The Friday after Thanksgiving? I don't know. Discount day. Hey, anybody got any good discounts? What are y'all looking at? What do I need that I don't have right now that's on discount? Anybody got any deals? What are y'all watching? Tell me the deals. People, tell me the deals. The Hangover Friday. Everybody's off work on Thursday for Thanksgiving. Everybody can go out and party. Well, I think isn't Wednesday night? Isn't like tonight the night that you go out and party? I think the day before Thanksgiving normally is like the party night. It's been a while since I've partied, so I want to know. But yeah. We'll see. What do we got today? Echo. I'm up right now. We are getting a little bit of squeezy right now. It's funny. I literally was like, I think tomorrow is going to be a squeezy kind of squeezy day. So today is looking a little squeezy. Nice move overnight, straight up. Very similar to yesterday's move in terms of a nice trend overnight. We've got some numbers today. We've got some numbers here. 10 o'clock numbers. Right now, the NASDAQ trying to push up here through the 70s. An interesting move, to say the least. So we'll see how she plays out today, boys and girls and boys, and everybody in whatever you want to be called. You can be that. Okay. So right now, looking to see right there through the 70s. Okay. All right. I got a long going right here just for now. Just to kind of see how this plays out off of this 49 level. This is one of my express funded accounts. And I'm going to let this thing ride. I'm going to let it ride, I think. Let it go to maybe I'm thinking that we can get above the hundreds here today to Monday's high. What do you guys think? Monday's high? I don't know. We held that 49 area pretty nice there overnight. So I'm kind of like, let's go, baby. Let it ride. So we'll see. I took a trade earlier with a bigger size. Somebody on Twitter posting, I told you so, Patrick. God, I can't get away from him. I can't get away from the people that are constantly just fucking telling me so. I told you so. I told you so. All right, we'll see how this plays out here today. Good morning. If you're just now tuning in, don't be afraid to hit that like button. Is it, what do we call today? Hump. It's kind of like Friday. It's kind of like Fresh Wednesdays. Friday, Wednesday. But, I don't know. We'll see. Somebody's asking, where am I long from? I want you to use your fucking brain. The person in the chat who asked me where I'm long from, I don't know. Look at the chart, all right? I want you to look at the chart. I want you to think, where would he possibly belong at? I don't know. What about, where could he possibly belong? I don't know. There's no way that this green line right here might be his entry. I'm not sure. Let's figure this out. Okay, there's a green line here. There's a blue line here. There's a red candle here. There's also a dot here. Too many options. Just can't figure this one out. It's a conundrum. It's a riddle. Where are you log? It's a log. Where are you log? Where? All right. We are live. All right. Just kind of sitting back here, getting ready for the market open. Let's look at the chart right now. What do we got here on the chart? If we look at the daily chart, I think it's very kind of bullish for this breakout, or at least kind of running up here, testing the Monday high, right? Monday high there was 122. Currently, we're at the 70s here. Nice bullish move here overnight. And yeah, got that high up there, 120 area, above the hundreds here. The dollar just spiked straight up there. That's a bit annoying. We'll see how she plays out here today. Either way, so. So we got the daily kind of idea. We got the hourly chart. We can see, yesterday we had that high there at the 20s. We got through that high here, broke out of this move. And you can see kind of the levels. On the hourly chart, there's a pivot point up there at the 141s. 141.75. The high there, 122s. So I like it. I don't want to get too biased here, but at least the trend currently is looking pretty bullish here. We could get a little pullback. You never know. Anything's possible. Why not short for a few minutes? Why? Why not just fucking do everything for a few minutes? There was a guy earlier in the chat that was praying and hoping that we get a pullback because he was underwater on a short. I'm not sure where you would have shorted at here. If you look at this chart, I don't know. Maybe you shorted here at the 59s and now it's, I don't know. Kind of a weird plan. Maybe a weird plan. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, obviously, so we'll see how this plays out. Dollar right now, kind of popping up there. The people asking about Nutty Bar, I'm gonna say one thing and one thing only. The kid fucking wants me. He loves me. It's okay. Let him talk about me. I don't give a fuck. It's totally fine. If you guys think I'm a scam, if you think Nutty Bar is a better trader, that's your option. Go watch him. I literally don't give a fuck. At this point, it's just getting silly. Like, why? Like, what do I have to do? You know? I don't really care. I'm transparent. I fucking show it. It is what it is. If I'm not transparent enough for Nutty Bar, that's totally fine. He can go get fucked. I literally don't give a fuck. So I'm not going to sit here and harp on it or even challenge. I don't care. So people in the chat that are asking about it, like, I don't really give a fuck. You're just wasting your time asking. Photoshop. Yes, I know. It's all Photoshop. It's all fake. I really don't give a fuck. It's totally fine. Yeah, Dave wants to teach me how to trade. I told him I give him $25,000 to teach me how to not lose for 2 weeks straight, and it was crickets. Dave teaches FX. Literally, all these fucking people, it's constantly like, Patrick, I want to challenge you, Patrick. I challenge you, Patrick. Like, here's the fucking challenge. Literally, I do this live on YouTube. You can be better than me, right? Get more viewers than me. Have a bigger following. That'll be the challenge. That's the fucking challenge. It's simple. If people want to watch me on YouTube, the viewers, they're going to choose where they want to watch. If you're a better trader and the viewers think you're a better trader, they're going to go watch you. If they think I'm better, they're going to go watch me. It's that simple. There's no challenge here. It's not a game. It is a game. It's not a challenge. It's just literally the numbers don't lie. There's a reason that this live stream has the most concurrent viewers out of the future space. It's that simple. There's no more argument. It's like, that's all that needs to be said. If you want to challenge me, then just beat me at my own game. But you can't. So it's like, what's the fuck? Like, what's the challenge here? What am I going to win out of this? You're nobody. You're literally nobody. Like, what do I get? All right, so pushing up there so far to the 79s. Right now, pulling back here a little. That dollar, just too much strength in the dollar right now. NASDAQ pulling back here. I like it, though. I'd rather get this pullback into open more than get a straight-up shot here. Ugh. There's a straight-up shot one more time. Oh, God. Let's focus on, a little bit. I think yesterday we were a little too focused on the 1 minute chart. Got caught up in that, small time frames a little too much. So, let's stay focused on a little larger time frames today. So let's stay like 3 minute chart here. That 49 level, after the numbers came out, we had a little rip. Well, we ripped up before the numbers, and then we dipped during the numbers, and then popped, kind of held that 49 level. Very bullish that we held that level, right? So, it's, yeah, like you said, one Swede dude. It's like, that, like, I'm in a Topstep live funded account. I'm one of the only fucking YouTubers out there that has actually been put into a Topstep live account. Like, what are you going to say at this point? Like, what are you going to say? Everybody else is trading in fucking combines. Like, what's the argument at this point? Patrick, you're fake. Topstep, they put you in a live account because you fake. Yeah, you're a fake. It's like, okay, you win. I don't know it's like, what do you want me to say? I don't fucking get it. Like, what's the argument here? Okay, oh, you win. You're right. I'm wrong. I'm a little butthurt because I thought about getting long. I literally text Tanya last night. I was texting Tanya, and I was like, I think tomorrow it's gonna be a bullish move overnight here, especially after that push back up last night, the earnings with Nvidia and all that. And I was like, Nvidia did not really sell off, so I was like, I think we're gonna push back up here today, and was thinking like, we could get a nice move overnight. We got about a 100-point move off of the lows. Would have been a nice kind of put it on and go to bed, wake up in the morning. Right now here, 15-minute chart. We kind of had a bit of a bull flag, kind of breaking out here, holding that 46, 45 level, 40 area. You can see kind of where we're sitting at here in terms of like different breakouts. Like this 40 area down there, 28, kind of back into this 15 area. Remember yesterday's kind of high, kind of got stuck there at the 15, 20 level there yesterday and then sold off. And then we got back up into this level. So, I mean, I don't know. Unless we just don't really get a move here today and we just chop around. Always something that could happen here, but I'm leaning more towards the idea that we break through the high from Monday there. I think it's like the, last day before Thanksgiving. People are just a little FOMO, a little like, I want to get in here. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it plays out. What the market's going to do here. I do not like what the fuck is the dollar doing right now. The dollar going straight up here. So that's a little bearish, obviously. We need that dollar to get denied here. Dollar's been making a move since 8:30 right now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We'll see how she goes. We still got time here. We still got 15 minutes till the market opens. I went for a run this morning. Got the blood pumping. Right now, the NASDAQ, the ES pulling back here. Got the VWAP here on the NASDAQ at the 16,000 level. There's a pivot point as well down there at the 08s. Leo Hernandez, you helped me pass my combine at the MFT community lessons. To all the haters, they can go fuck themselves. Yeah, boys. Fuck them. That's how I feel as well. All right, so we're pulling back here right now. We got the previous week high here at the 50 area. Got a pivot point in the VWAP, like I said, down there at the 16,000. So pivot point down here, 16,009. So right now, the ES and the NASDAQ kind of in this like channel here on like the 3 minute. The ES just bounced. Kind of have this like little bit of a channel going on here so far. So a little bit of a, maybe like a microphone-y thingy. We just bounced off it again. I'm new here. How does the Thanksgiving affect the market? Well, it's just, you know, it's a holiday. Not as much, you know, people, a little less volume probably, a little less, I don't know. People get drunk on a holiday. They eat turkey. You know, they're doing something different. Nice little bounce off of that trend right there. Lots of accounts get gobbled up. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. That was pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty funny. It's pretty funny. Why do they eat turkeys? I don't fucking know. What am I doing on Thanksgiving? I'm going to the fucking Ritz-Carlton, the Ritz-Carlton fucking Thanksgiving extravaganza. Oh yeah, baby. I'm probably gonna, hopefully gonna get my boat back in the water today. That's my fucking, I'm praying right now for that to happen. They started the motors yesterday. So we started the motors yesterday. It's very, very close to getting back in the water. Basically got all new motors, new electronics, a bunch of new stuff put on the boat, getting it ready for the tournament season. We've got our first sail fishing tournament on December 2nd. So gotta win some money, baby. Did he crash the boat? No, I'm getting new motors, you fuck. Flush the engines. I don't need to flush the engines, Vanessa. I have a crew. I got a captain and I got a mate. They do all that stuff. Y'all not even on, you're not even on my level, so don't give me advice, okay, people? Patrick, no, don't worry about it. Get a paddle boat. It's cheaper. Do I look like I need to fucking save money? Do I look like I need to save money? It's cheaper? The fuck? I got triple 400s. Patrick, now you do well. Before you struggled. How do you feel right now? I feel like I want to go to Disney World. God. All right, so we are waiting here. We're bouncing off of this kind of trend line for now. I'm leaning towards the idea that we will rally above Monday's high today. Not sure we're going to do it right away, but anything's fucking possible, my friends. Crypto Ronin, dude. Are you in Miami? We need to hang out. Are you 6 feet tall, blonde haired? If you're not 6 feet tall and blonde, we ain't hanging out, bro. No offense. I do get a lot of guys that are like messaging me like, hey, we should go get a beer. I'm like, no offense. You know, it's not a guy, not the kind of guy that goes to a bar with another dude to get a beer. It's just not how I roll. Nothing wrong with that, but I'm just not into it. That's racism. Yes. My choice in women is racist. I'm racist. Patrick said he only likes blondes, 6 feet tall. He's a fucking racist. God, I can't wait to get that clipped. Can't wait to hear that. Did you guys hear that Patrick's racist? He says he only likes blondes, 6 feet tall. Ugh. Yeah, guy's fucking racist, man. I knew it. Does cocaine and he's fucking racist. He fucking eats meat and he's fucking doing cocaine. Guy's real piece of work. Oh, Tanya trades with the answer. You can be black and have blonde hair. Hey! This is true. This is very true, my friends. Like I said earlier, I am long right now here off the 49s in one of my express funded accounts. Kind of letting this one just ride here. I've been messing around with these express funded accounts, trying to like trade a little differently in some of them, you know, trading just not trying to scalp as much, more so like trying to trade bigger moves in the express funded accounts. Since I have the live account already, I can still trade obviously in the express funded as well, but I'm trying to like, you know, do a little testing here. Do a little testing. I'm diversifying. You know, trade the live account like we normally trade, but then do some different stuff with the express funded accounts. Guys, like I said earlier, one more time, Nutty Bar is a fucking peasant. Don't even worry about what Nutty Bar, what is he even saying? Patrick Wieland's not in the top 10 of the Topstep withdrawals. I've never claimed, that's the funny part, I've never claimed that. I've literally at no point in my entire life have I claimed that I am the #1 withdrawal, like payout. I have never claimed that. So like, I don't know what to fucking tell you. And also what's funny is like, I didn't even take a big withdrawal. When I got transferred into the live account, I did not even take a withdrawal. I transferred the whole balance. So it's like they still talk shit, and it's like, what do you want me to do? I didn't take a withdrawal. I mean, what the fuck? Like, oh, Patrick, you suck. That's totally fine. Like, I chose to not take a withdrawal. I wanted more money because I don't need the money. I wanted more capital. Now I've literally turned 24,000 into what? 47,000? He's terrible. All right, we are getting ready here. If you guys haven't hit that like button, let's do the poll here. 500 likes, we'll do the poll. Up or down at open today. Up or down at open. What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat. The poll is live. Also, by the way, Lux Algo right now. Lux Algo is oh god. Lux Algo is 70% off right now. If you want to check out Lux Algo, check it out. That'll be going on right now. Lux Algo. So yeah, like Nutty Bar, his whole argument is that I don't take big withdrawals, but it's like I said, you can see my account balance. This is the live account with Topstep. Live account. This is not a combined account. It's not an express funded account. This is the live account. I transferred $24,000 into this account. Currently, the balance is $46,000, and that was and I traded for 6 days total. I had a red day yesterday. I showed you guys that. Like, what's the argument here? I don't get what the argument is. Like, just keep using my name in your videos. Like, that's what people have to understand. People just use my name in their videos because they want fucking more views. I get it. You know? I'm winning. I get that. What the fuck is this person spamming the chat? What the fuck is this? Get out of here. God. Got no time for this shit. All right. Right now, the poll up. 67% up. 33% down. Which way we gonna go here at open? I'm looking for that push above the high from Monday. So how are fills different live? I've gotten a few kind of like didn't get fully filled on a few trades, but nothing too bad. I wouldn't say it's Like, I'm not trading massive size, but yeah, well, it is what it is. We got 5 minutes here till the market opens. Right now, the poll is simply 67% say we're going to go up and 33% say we're going to go down. We will see who will win, the majority or the minority in the chat today. All right, 844 votes. Am I using Topstep X? I am not using Topstep X just because I'm using Quant Tower, and I've been, I don't know. I'll probably switch once they actually go live with Topstep X, but for right now, I don't really see any reason to switch over just yet. I like Quant Tower. It works. It's simple. It's easy. It's kind of what I've been using. So I've been making money with Topstep with Quant Tower. So I don't really see any reason to change over yet. I think there are benefits, obviously, to the Topstep X platform because, you know, you can trade through any web browser, Mac, and all that stuff. So there will be benefits. I think, you know, if I'm traveling or something, Topstep X will be nice to just be able to trade on the MacBook, you know, on the laptop. But, yeah, we'll see how the actual, when it rolls out. Saving my life, saving my life, saving my life. Here we go. We got 3 minutes, baby. It's Wild Wednesdays. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. If you're watching now, it's time to party, baby. We're doing this live every day. Saving my life, saving my life, saving my life, saving my life. I do want to say, you know, hey, keep it real before the market starts here. I know I get a little crazy sometimes. I start yelling and screaming, but I am thankful for you guys. I'm thankful for the people that tune in, that bring value. You know, we've got some really good traders in the chat. I know I'm always like, you know, going off on little rants and yelling and screaming, but I do want to say a big thank you to, you know, people that come here every day. They bring value. They actually have like good ideas. They don't just argue and fucking talk shit. They like come in and really share, you know, good information. I do like to see that. So, you know, Tanya trades. There's a lot of people. I just name her because she's in here right now. But we got a lot of really good traders in the chat. There's a reason that the good traders are here. If you're wondering why people watch me, there's something. We're doing something, right? It's the community. It's the vibe. It's what we're doing. We're making money. We're doing it live. And that's what it comes down to. There's always going to be haters. Always going to be people out there telling you can't do something. Well, guess what? We're fucking doing it, my boys and girls. We are doing it. So big thank you guys for tuning in. Happy Thanksgiving. And like I said, it is, you know, I know you have a choice. You don't have to watch. You know, it is free to watch, but you can go anywhere you want. And a big appreciation to you guys for actually tuning in every day. It's as much as I'm here every day. There's a lot of people in the chat that are also here every day. So big thank you for the support. Let's get ready, my friends. It's time to partay. You could be anywhere in the world, but you're here with me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have numbers here today at 10 o'clock. What is that? Like, Michigan consumer confidence and 5-year inflation expectation numbers at 10 o'clock here today. So I'm overall looking for a move up here today. That's kind of what my theory is. I'm not sure exactly what the price action is going to look like here, but I don't want to say I'm overly bullish, but I am thinking that we get a move up here today. There's a couple things to focus on here at open. We do have, you know, obviously a pivot point to the upside there at the 16,100 level. Right now we're at the 70s. We've been holding here, putting in higher lows, and we'll see how she plays here in about 1 minute. Well, here we go. We're live. The market is open, baby. Ooh. Ooh. Said ooh. Straight up, currently up there to the 80s. Will they run this thing straight to the fucking moon? Ooh. Said ooh. 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 Said ooh. Straight through the 80s there. Whee! Like I said, I am long in one of the express fund accounts from the 49s. I'm looking for a move up above the hundreds here today. I'm totally fine just kind of letting that trade work out. We might get right there. We might just go right to the fucking hundreds, boys. Oh, baby. Are we going to go straight to the fucking hundreds here? Oh, man. I hope not. Well, I kind of hope so, but I hope not. Right now, up there to the 93s. What a move so far here. We're going straight up. Got to get through the 100 level there next. Ooh, ooh, said ooh. Straight up. Oh my baby Jesus. Are you not impressed? You got to love it sometimes. You got to laugh. You just got to fucking laugh, boys and girls. Come on. It's fucking hilarious. Patrick Wieland, how does he do it? I don't even fucking know sometimes. I just laugh at myself because I'm fucking crazy. I'm fucking crazy. They want to talk shit. They want to say we can't do this, but look at it. We're doing it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at it. Straight up right now. I literally text Tanya last night at midnight. You know, I don't want to give out too much info, but she can vouch for me. I literally told everybody, I was like, hey, I'm looking for this straight up move here. Go to the 14s, take me out here. From the 49s right now. I won't be greedy. Where the fuck are they at? Where are the haters at now? Where are they at now? Where are they at, boys? Where do they go? Anybody know? Does anybody know where they went? Where are they at? Oh my God. Are you fucking kidding me? After yesterday's debacle. Come on. Come on, fam. Come on. What a beautiful move. I mean, I don't even go tell Nutty that I've made more money in one trade that he's going to make his entire life. Think about that. Just think about that. That's what my competition can know. You know? Hey, big congrats, guys, to the chat. With the this morning, the poll, 63% of you said we're going up at open. Don't fade Patrick Wieland's chat. Don't do it. Sometimes hey, that's the thing about it, right? They're going to have days where it's just not going to work. But that's part of trading. Anybody that tells you they don't have fucking red days is lying to your fucking face. They are lying to your face. Look at this move. Like I said, straight up here, boys and ladies, gentlemen, ladies. Come on. I told you, hey, where are we going? Where are we going? Look at that move. The first 3 minutes of the day, straight through the fucking high. Are you not impressed? Come on, people. I want you all to see this. Through the 30s now. Oh, baby. She's just going. She's just going. Tanya, did I not say this was what was going to happen today? I got the text messages to prove it, but she's in the chat right now. Literally, let me look last night. I want to see what time I said that. Last night, literally, I was like, literally last night at 8 o'clock. I think we take out the Monday high, just squeeze before the holiday. 8 o'clock. Oh my God. It's straight up, boys and girls. Are you not fucking impressed? Are you not fucking impressed? Still going. No pullbacks here. LOL. They're not stopping. It's just going straight fucking up. Insanity right now. The squeeze is so fucking real here. We need a pullback or something. Quit letting girls use you. What do you mean girls use me? If anything, I asked Tanya more about what level she's looking at than she asked me about my levels, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, I took profit at 114 and it went to the 50s, so fuck me, you know? What are you going to do here? Dollar looks weak. The Nasdaq's trying to push through the 60s again there. I mean, come on. You got to admit, like, if the problem is if you were long from the 60s and you didn't take profit, you know, before the 20s, you're just fucking gambling at that point. Fucking A. Wow. On the day right now, we're up $8,000 on the day. Yesterday, we lost $4,000. Today, we're up $8,000. What an insane move. Fucking A. Literally no pullback here, just straight fucking up. Welcome to the bulls. That could have been my 100-point. Hey, it could have, should have, would have, guys. It is what it is. I'm not gonna. Let's wait for the next opportunity. There's more opportunities to come. We got more to come. Don't worry. I ain't worried about it. Is it all because tomorrow's a holiday? I think it's just because everybody is so fucking stupid. That's why everybody keeps talking about the market crashing and blah blah blah. Everybody on Twitter, buy puts, buy puts. Yeah, keep buying puts, you idiots. Keep buying puts, you fucking idiots. The next level up there is 216 pivot point. I just want to be careful here, and I don't want to chase this top right now. Let's get some structure. We need to put in a higher low. We put in a higher low here, then we're okay to try to buy the dip. We don't want to just try to buy right at the fucking top. You know, we're not idiots here, people. If you're buying here at the top right now and you get dumped on, like, you're just fucking doing stupid shit. There's no point in, just be patient. I would love to see kind of a pullback here to the 30s would be nice. You know, ideally. But we have really not gotten much of a pullback here yet. So we've got to be patient. The ES, the NASDAQ pulling back here. Patience, patience, patience. We got news at 10 o'clock as well. When to enter buy again? We're just waiting, Morian. Yeah, that 15-minute opening candle. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. 100-pointer. We got 100 points out of the open there. Chrism, hey, Patrick, any trades yet? You're banned for life for asking stupid fucking questions. What a waste. Why even waste your fucking time writing that? Here's the pullback. All right, all right. Like I said, we needed a pullback here. Let's build some structure up here, you know? I mean, I literally just showed my trade. I just showed my trade this morning at the open. So coming in asking if I took a trade yet. You're late to the fucking party. You get banned for being late. You're not banned for asking the question. You're getting banned for not being here on time. Brian, every morning I put in a bunch of bottom feeding trades. This is the first time in 25 years they were all filled. Like to see it. Back to the 120s and then a new high. That would be nice. Maybe back into this 30 level into here would be nice. The ES making a new high here. Uh-oh. Dollar selling off. You can say. The 1 hour pivot is a 142. Yeah, it's there. I see it. I don't know. Let's see what this does here. Dollar's pulling back. The ES up to a highs. Just want to be patient here. Don't want to try to just fucking... The ES is making about to make a new high right here. NASDAQ's holding here at the 48.50s for now. And we definitely kind of got a setup here, but it depends on how strong this is going to go. It could get a little move straight up here now. We'll find out. The ES making a new high here. The NASDAQ pulling back, sitting here at the 50s. I still think like maybe one more, get a little wick to the downside here would be nice. Like a wick into this 30 area, you know? We'll see how what happens here at the 40s now. Little trap on the ES for now. Need that bottom wick. Need some bottom wicks to come in here. Still just kind of holding on here for now. Let it consolidate. Let it do its thing. And then we look for the move, baby. I don't think this is done just yet. Getting the Thanksgiving Day rally. Is that a thing? Dollar continuing to pull back. That's good here. Bullish for this pullback here on the NASDAQ to kind of consolidate here for a little bit. Dollar starts heading back down. The NASDAQ can turn back up here. On the day right now, I'm up $8,000 on the day. Looking to see where we head there next. Nice little pullback here. 15-minute candle just closed. So we basically kind of want to be up into this, area here. Want to kind of stay up above, I'd say, the 20s here for this pullback, for bullish pullback there to continue higher. The ES getting tight. The NASDAQ sitting here for now. Need kind of a little bit of a little trappy trap here, maybe. A little wick down here to bounce maybe off that 20 level would be nice. There we go. A little move down here in the 30s now. Down there to the 20s now. Kind of need a bounce here to defend that level for the bulls. Get this kind of pop straight back up there. The ES pulling back pretty hard. The NASDAQ pulling back pretty hard right there into that 30 level. They need to kind of get that bounce here, or we're going to pull back deeper. Down there into the 20s. Nice little push back up here. Singapore, let's go. I've been watching for 1 month. Every day, Patrick is so entertaining yet provide useful information. Worldwide, baby. Nice little push back up here. That's pretty much what we were hoping for, that bounce off this level. Now we just need some confirmation. Start moving back up. Want to be careful. Want this kind of get back above the 40s here. Dollar's pushing back up. We got numbers here at 10 o'clock, so we basically need to either start pushing here quickly or we might just get stuck before those numbers come out. So we'll see. Right now, having trouble getting back above that 35 level here. I think if you get back above the 36s, we start pushing. But right now, having trouble there at the 36, 37 level. Needs to do a little trappy action here to get some shorts to squeeze. Dollars popping up here. Trouble. Still no reason to get long. I'm not in a trade. Like I said, we're waiting for something to happen here. Right now, it's not happening. So, no point in doing anything. We're just moving on down. Dude, Sith, I'm banning you, bro. You asked the 2 questions 2 times, you're done. You're out. Sorry, bro. You like, what? Don't ask the same question 20 fucking times. Done. You're just ruining the chat for everybody else. I'm not trading tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Why the fuck would I trade tomorrow? We are pulling back. This is not good for the Bulls. Deep, deep, deep pullback here. Oh, buddy. Wow. A 100 point up, 100 point down here. What a move. Absolutely insane. Got news here at 10 o'clock. Somebody leaked some news early. The fuck? Straight down here. Holy guacamole. Back down to the pretty much opening area now. Something's moving the market here. What a move. Oh my baby Jesus. Still moving lower. Dollar popping up here strong. The NASDAQ straight down right now. Uh-oh. Who did what? Who did what? Straight down there to the 50s currently. We're right there at the VWAP right now. No reason to get short at the VWAP here. We're going to need to get through that VWAP level. We got numbers coming out 10 o'clock. Fuck. Somebody bought at the top. Who bought at the top? Down there to the 50s now, still going. 49s. This is exactly where he broke out earlier. What the fuck? 5 minutes until these numbers come out. Dollars showing strength. The NASDAQ just straight fucking down here. Through the VWAP now. I mean, now you kind of need like a fucking retracement or something. Still going. We got 4 numbers till 4 minutes till numbers. Everybody's fucking texting me right now. Stop texting me, you fucks. God, why? Like, you know I'm live on YouTube. Stop texting me. Oh, what do we do here? We got news here in 3 minutes. Paul Stanley, Pat, you're a scalper. Thanks for that. Fed up. Congratulations. Passing his funded account. Let's go. We got numbers here in 2 minutes. Also try to push back up into here now into the 80s when these numbers come out. Possibly. One minute till the numbers. 1 minute or 30 seconds till numbers. Right back up here now off the lows. 30 points. Back up almost to the 80s now. 20 seconds. 27 seconds till the numbers pop off here. Looking at the 3 minute chart right now. I got this big old area here at the 88, 90 level. Possibly push back up. Ten seconds till the numbers. Stuck there below the 80s again. Dollar just popped up. The NASDAQ, the ES Pulling back here now. See what happens here if they break this 30 level. We got that 1600 down there flat. Dollar straight up here. I think we get to move down there 16,000s now. I'm short here, looking for this move down. I want to see that pivot point down there, 16,000s flat. Dollar's going straight up here. And it's like this fucking pops right there. It's annoying. We hit 16,016 down there, and then it popped it right back up. Why? The market makers are watching. I want to see that pivot point. Come on. Dollar going straight up. I'm short from the 43s. Fuck it. Let's see if we can move down here. Put stop to pretty much the high of these candles. 41 there. Looking for a move down there. 16,000s. Now it's going to pop back up and stop me out. Fuck, come on. Don't do this. It's going to chop it back up here. Great. Dollar still showing strength. The NASDAQ, the ES is kind of sitting here. We could get this next leg down. It's got to get through that 16,000 area down there. We can't lose at this point, so fuck it. Need that ES to sell through the lows here. 58s. Come on, baby. Take me down there, 16,000. Moving my stop here to the high of this candle. At least we lock in from the 43 to the 35s there in case this wants to be stupid and pop back up. And we'll try to ride this down to the 16,000s. Dollar is still pushing. The NASDAQ looking like it wants to make a new low here. But Victor Hoffman, I hope it pops back up. Well, you're banned. I'm short, you fuck. You want me to lose money? Is that what you want? It's fucked up, bro. Keep your, hey, if you're short, if you're long right now and I'm short, keep your position to yourself. I don't want to hear about it. And don't tell me about it. Fucking A. Just want to go lower here. Oh my God. Flirting with disaster right now, boys. Flirting with it. And oh my God. I have my take profit right here at 35. Relax. Yeah, I'm not losing. Everyone in the chat, like, take profit. Yeah, no shit. Relax. Fucking A. Both the ES and the NASDAQ just holding that low down there. So I think we might chop back up here now. Unless we break down here. Come on. The ES is so close to breaking down. Dollar wants to push. The NASDAQ wants to sell. The people in the chat that are telling me to take money now, if it goes lower, will you send me money? If you tell me to take profit now and it goes lower, will you send me money? Will you pay my bills? If you won't, then don't say it. If you won't do it, then don't say it. Because I need the money. Oh my God. The ES just made a new low. The NASDAQ is going to make a new low here. We're living, baby. We're doing it live. We're doing it live. Want that pivot point down there, 16,000s. Just go down. Oh, you fuckers. Dollar pulling back. The ES sitting here at the 20s. What is the RSI? What is the RSI, everybody? Oh, God. So close. Do it right here, right now. Right here, right now. Right here, right now. Oh, no. Oh, no. Down there to the 1920s. Moving my stop to the high of these candles. 30, 3 right there, just to guarantee I lock in 10 points. Just again, chopping around down here. It held the lows down there at 17. Still get 10 points here. I really want to see this pivot point down there, but just not getting there right now. So good chance of kind of popping back up here. The ES just pushed off the lows. The NASDAQ stop at the 32s here. See if we're going to take me out, or can we break to the downside? This is a 3-minute chart. Dollar's making a new high here. And almost stopped out. 32.50 stop here. And now we're stopped out. Now that it stopped me out, it's going to dump. I always love when that happens. I'm going to go to the bathroom here. Well, squeeze back up there. Good thing we took profit where we did. Oh. Both the ES, the NASDAQ, holding the lows for now. A little pop back up here into the 30s. Not very convincing right now. Getting stuck there. Dollar still showing strength. Got this kind of 50 area up there, which is the previous week high. Got denied there at the 40s. Trying to figure out if I want to get short here again. Do I want to get short again? The $1 million question. Tanya's getting short. All right, all right. We'll live through her. We'll live through her. Vicariously through Tanya trades. What's your target, Tanya? Nice little dumpy dump. Hit that pivot point finally. Ooh! So close. Ooh, Tanya's looking for 70s. Ooh. Okay, okay. 70s, huh? 70s. Trying to figure out why you think 70s. What's about 70s that you like? 70s. Like this little... This area here is what you like, don't you? I like it. Tanya trades. I need you to lose your imagination. There's the pivot point. Fucking A. I knew she wanted that pivot point. I just knew it. I knew she wanted that goddamn pivot point, boys. Right off the pivot point again. Down to a low so far, 1605 here. Paul Revere, hit the buy button. You're staring at the fair value gap right now. Back to the high of day. Oh my God. Okay, I'm all in. I don't know. Who do I follow? Tanya Trades or Paul Revere? Questionable, to say the least. It's hard to say. Dollar pulling back. We bounced right off that pivot point. Right off the pivot point there. We're right back up now. I don't know. I don't know, Paul Revere. Becca, are you out of a trade? Yes. Guys, I'm not, like, for now on, I'm not, like, if you ask if I'm in a trade or not in a trade, I'm not answering. So don't even ask. Don't waste your fucking time. It's like you're just spamming the chat. Are you in a trade? Are you out of trade? What are you doing? Are you in it? Are you doing it? God. Just wasting your fucking typing breath. All right, relax. Use. Lavender, just display your trades on the screen somewhere. Yeah, hey, this is what I want you to do, Lavender. I want you to go fucking start your own live stream. I want you to do exactly how you fucking want to do it. All right? And then no one will fucking watch it. It's totally fine. I do whatever the fuck you want. I don't give a fuck. Literally, I don't give a fuck. Patrick, do it like I say. Do it like this. God. Well, it looks like it's going back up. It looks like it's going back up. Yeah, I see that. Right off the pivot point. Dollar's pulling back. Be right. Oh, God. I told you. Just relax. Yes. Whew. 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 Goose fraba. Goose fraba. Goose fraba. Whew. I can't. I just can't sometimes. The chat. I told you! Yes, you told me. You fucking told me. You win. Everybody wins. Everybody. You guys have all... I am only here to read the chat and do exactly what the chat says. Thank you. God. Oh my God. It's insanity sometimes. Like, I just can't. I literally just can't. Like, do you really, I mean, no offense, but do you really think I'm going to listen to you in the chat? Do you really think so? Do you think, I mean, you let me know. Do you think, what do you think? Do you think so? You know, I'm like sitting here like watching, you know, I'm like, hey, I'm going to do exactly what the chat tells me to do every day. I'm not going to trade. Why would I trade? I'm just going to do what the chat tells me to do. Everybody in the chat's a fucking millionaire, okay? A fucking A. It's genius. It's fucking, they're all geniuses. I'm a fucking moron. God. Patrick, show us your trades. Show us the trades. Show us the trades, Patrick. Show us the trades right now. It's going up. It's going up. Guys, I mean, there is no fucking reason to type in the chat that you called way in advance. There's no reason. It's no reason, guys. Like, you're not adding value. You're not doing anything. You're not helping anyone. Like, all you're doing is just fucking, like, I don't know what you're doing, but you're not doing it. It's not doing anything. So telling us that you called this an hour ago or two, it doesn't matter. Like, just focus on, like, what's going on right now. You know, like, it doesn't do anything for anybody. You know, like, I get it. You win. You're a genius. It doesn't matter. But, like, if you called it 20 minutes ago, it don't matter. You know, like, tell us what's going to happen right now, like, in this moment. Tell us what's next. Tell us about what do we do now? I don't care about what happened fucking 30 minutes ago. All right? Like, just, like, tell us now. Like, let's work on now. Let's do what's going on now. Like, this constant, like, every fucking minute. I told you guys 30 minutes ago that it was going to bounce. I told you. Did you not see my comment? I told you. I wrote in the chat. I said, it's going to go up 30 minutes ago. Did you not? I called it so far in advance. Did you? I told you. I fucking told you. I fucking told you. I fucking told you. My God. It's insanity, dude. I'm up 30 points. All right. I don't know what to do. I'm just going to hold till it goes to the fucking millions today. Yeah, I mean, that was pretty convincing, that bounce off of the pivot point down there. Right now, we're at the VWAP here. We clear out the VWAP. I think we can easily get up there 80, 90 to 100 levels. So I'm holding this long for now from the 33s. You know? We'll see what happens. And nobody even comment. Like, but Patrick, I told you. I get it. Paul Revere told us. Congrats. Like, I will give full props to Paul Revere. He called it. 100%. 100%. No, I am not going to deny it. 100%. Paul Revere called the exact bottom. All right? It is what it is. But I also had the pivot point there, you know? So it's part of it. But you always help yourself every single time. Now it's going to pull back, stop me out at the 33s, and then go lower. Y'all fucked me up, man. No way. Now what do we do? Now what do we do? Now what do we do? Just buy more. I gotta go. I need a time machine. I need a fucking time machine. If only I could go back in time and know exactly what the chat said 20 minutes ago. I would be a millionaire. Well, I'm already a millionaire. I'd be a billionaire. If only. Oh my God, it's going back up. Ooh. I'm still long, by the way. Oh my God, it's really going. Where's our target, Tanya? Tanya, tell me the target, honey. I need to know. La la la. She said 70s? Fuck that. I ain't taking profit at 70s. I never take profit. I never take profit. Next pivot points at the hundreds up there. I gotta get at least 50 points here. Oh, I was up 50 points for a second there. Fuck. I need 50 points. I think we can at least get up into here. We just broke through this resistance there at the 74s. It would only make sense that we kind of push up here to the hundreds next. I think hundreds. That's what I'm looking for. Hundreds or bust, baby. Tanya went quiet on us. Fuck. Tanya likes 120s. I like it. If Tanya likes it, I like it, boys. John Vargas, I'm short. Oh, well, fucking keep your opinion to yourself. Keep your fucking opinion to yourself, John Vargas. Come on, I just spent $200,000 on boat motors. I need to make some money, boys. Oh, fuck. I only want good news. You think it'll be done today? All right. I mean, all that was left was just getting that box in there, right? The live well box. What, you need something from over here? Well, I mean, I can, if I leave here in like the next 20 minutes, I can go to a hooker. You want to call them? What are you looking for? One of those reducers or something? Well, I mean, I can leave my house like literally the next 20 minutes. You're down in Fort Lauderdale right now? All right. Trying to get my goddamn boat in the water. Trying to get my boat in the water, man. I need my boat in the water. We're still long. Long and strong, boys. I want 50 points here, but I think it got more. I think I can get more. What happened to the old motors? Nothing happened. They were just fucking 300s. I want 400s. Why do you always got, like, why does everyone always got to have, like, why's everyone, like, I got to be, like, some kind of question, like, huh, so you got new motors, huh? What, your old motors, they weren't good enough for you, Patrick? Your old motors, you crashed your boat, that's why you got new motors? No, I literally just wanted new fucking motors. Like, why is it always got to be a question? You know, like, you always got to be some stupid fucking question, like, Patrick, so I saw that you wrapped your boat. Is that because your boat was too old and you didn't want to, like, put wax on it, so you got it wrapped? Like, huh, that sucks. Like, it's always some stupid fucking questions. Like, I don't know, like, if they're trying to get at me or what, but it's like, Patrick, I see you drive a Ford. What, you can't afford a Lamborghini? You must be broke. Like, Patrick. Literally. I want big candles and I cannot lie. Cannot lie. Let's fucking go, boys. La 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 la. Look at my entry down there. Like I said, I give props to Paul Revere, but I also got to give props to myself. I mean, that fucking pivot point was down there. I mean, if anyone fucking can claim pivot points, there's nobody on fucking YouTube that uses pivot points as much as I do. So, pivot points, baby! Pivot points! Pivot points! Look at that. Pivot point bounce. Oh, my baby Jesus. Next pivot point is up at the 104s here. We're at the 95s. Pivot points. Should I lock it in? That's the $1 million question. Everybody always, what's my settings? What's your settings? If you guys hit the like button, I'll tell you the settings. There's the settings. Pivot point, standard, traditional, easy, peasy, mac and cheesy, baby. Don't go fucking, you know, chasing waterfalls. Let's do it live together here, people. Up there to the 94, where we get to a high of? A high so far of 99.50. So almost to the 100 area there. Congratulations. Beautiful move there. Even on that pullback from the 40s up there to the 90s. Great move for everybody right there. If you took advantage of that, congratulations. Congratulations. We love to see it. We love to see it. It's beautiful. All right, all right. Just looking for this push up there above the hundreds next. This might be one of those trades where I just leave it. Just put my fucking... Let it run, baby. Let it run. Walk away. Come back and fucking... see it up here in the 200s, maybe. Who knows? Easier to find. Feels like us on my neck. It's kind of waiting to see what happens here. I like I don't know, I like this idea of us trying to get back up to the high of day, possibly. Go for the 100-point mover. 100-point move today? Ooh. Dollar just popped back up. I don't know. Maybe we chop here now? Fuck. My name. We're looking good. I like it. I like it a lot. No turkey tomorrow. We eating fucking filet mignon, boys. We eating filet mignon tomorrow, boys. Filet mignon tomorrow, boys. We're still long here. On the 33s, looking for this move up above the hundreds. Boo! Double top on the dollar. A little bit of trouble there again at the hundreds, but at this point, let's fucking let it ride. You can't, hey, here's the thing, right? You'll never fucking have 100-point runners if you don't let them fucking run. You know, it's that simple. It's that simple, baby. It's so hard to trade with you. Well, Morian, I'll help you out. Banned for life. Never have to trade with me ever again. What the fuck? It's so hard to trade with Patrick. I don't know what to do. Like, this is so terrible. This is the worst. What am I going to do with this guy? I can't trade with them. So basically, we want to put kind of a higher low in this area here at the 60s and then continue this move up here. So need a little pullback here. We need another day in the life PW video. I'll do a day in the life video once I get my fucking boat back. How about that? That's what I'm going to do. Would you let it run if you're in at 47? I mean, I think as long as we stay where we're kind of, you know, bullish, there's no reason to get out yet. Dollar's pulling back here. Obviously not financial advice, but, you know, definitely not looking bearish. As long as we stay above that 67, you know, in this level here, we just want to kind of turn this previous area of resistance into support here. And then we get this breakout to the upside there. So that's what I'm thinking. Dollar's pulling back. The ES just popped up. Everything's lining up here, you know. Everything lining up nicely there. So going into the 11 o'clock hour. $3,400 Mercury V10s. Little pullback here. I can't put 600. I can't put the 600s or the 800 horsepower motors because they're too big. It can't handle 600. They're too big. They're too heavy. I put the heaviest motors I could put. Relax, people. Fucking A. They're never happy. Patrick, you got 400s. You should have got the fucking 800s. What are you, broke? What are you, fucking broke, Patrick? Why do you get the fucking 800s? Fucking brokey? God. Just can't win, man. I can't fucking win no matter what I do. It's terrible. Suck. You suck, Patrick. You're the fucking, get the fucking. Go Cox Diesel. No. That's again, like, I'm not going to take anyone's fucking advice in the chat, because that right there, that response alone is literally just no. It's not it, fam. Diesel. Yeah. I'm going to put diesel outboards on my 36-foot yellowfin. That's a genius fucking idea. Genius. Genius. God. There's a reason that I don't take advice from the chat. Dollar's pulling back. We're right there at the VWAP. We pushed up to the pivot point. VWAP right now at the 60s. I think as long as we can stay above the VWAP here, I'll stay in this trade. But if we can't, I'm long from the 33s, so I'm also about to leave the house as well, so I don't know. Tomorrow's Thursday, obviously. Thanksgiving tomorrow morning, so well, not tomorrow morning, but Thanksgiving tomorrow. I will not be live tomorrow. I'm sorry. I know. So, yeah, we'll see. And yeah, I won't be live Friday either. So I'm taking the rest of the week off, enjoying the holidays, and having a good time. So if you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. A absolutely wild and crazy day here trading. There's a lot of stuff going on this week. Bookmap's going to have a big deal I'll post about. They're like 70% off or something. 60% is going to be off for Bookmap. The first month, you got the Lux Algo sale going on. It's fucking a lot of fun stuff going on. Who's calling me? Hello. Hey. Hey, how's it going, Tommy? Yeah. Yeah, so that's what, next week? Oh, wait. 2 weeks? Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. That's like the earliest pretty much. All right, that works. No, I just live two canals over from the boat ramp right there by Merritt, so I can just tow it over. Yeah. Yep. Awesome. Sounds good. Thanks, man. Thanks. Ugh. It's a little bit deeper of a pullback than I wanted there. Need to bounce pretty much here. Fucking A. Got a little too greedy there, boys. Got a little too greedy up there. Need to see where this 3-minute candle closes. Fucking A. It's just dumping through the VWAP there. Wow. Well, that's no fun. Are you kidding me right now? Gonna pull back all the way to my entry here. Ugh. Like I said earlier, sometimes you gotta fucking let them run. If you want a big mover, you gotta let them run, boys. So, we are out. Done. I'm gonna walk away here and let it be. Market is dumping right now. Wow. Red, red, red there on the 3-minute chart. Pulling it right back down, so. It is what it is. Moving on back down there to the 16,000 pivot quickly. Wow, look at that thing just dumped right through the 75s. Like I said, that was kind of that level that we wanted to watch there at the 70s. We went right through it, and that's what we did not want to see happen. So, why do you care so much? Just paper money. Yeah. It's always just paper money. Oh, God. I don't even care. Is he gonna like bounce here and rip back up again? Nah. All right, I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna get out of here. I got things to do today. I will see you guys probably next Monday, right? Next Monday we're back. Mega Money Mondays. So. I will see you guys next Monday. Mega Money Mondays. So if you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Peace to the Middle East. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the flip side there. Peace to the Middle East. Do.